That's that last piece of fried chicken right there. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are still up here in Harlem, man. I believe this section, Hamilton Heights, man. We're up off here, 145. We're here off of 145 and Edgecombe Avenue, man. And we are about to go into Charles's Pan Fried Chicken. Go check it out, man. I just happened to see this online. Then I checked YouTube. Don't seem like too many people got here to try out Charles's Pan Fried Chicken. Let's go in here and see what it's all about. All right, y'all, we about to walk up in here. Look like it was a long wait, bro. It was a long wait. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Here we go, y'all. We got a little line here. We're gonna go check it out. Nice and cool in here too. They got that chicken, boy. They back here cooking it in the pan. Hey, it says, yeah, let's do a two-piece wings, mac and cheese, and the yams. All right, y'all, I got two wings, man. I didn't go deep on it. I just got the two wings. They look well fried. I just need to let you know that, right? Look at them yams, yo. Them yams look good and juicy and succulent. You got that mac and cheese, man. That mac and cheese, as y'all see, had just came out, man. Let's dig into this. We're about to get into this fried chicken. And I'm gonna be honest, man, this is almost looking like the fried chicken that my grandmama and them used to cook, man. Let's check it out. I didn't put no hot sauce, anything on it. Let's check it out. Oh, look, that meat came right out of there, man. I'm gonna eat that skin and that little bone in there. Crunchy. This chicken right here is cooked perfect. Y'all saw them frying it back there. They frying it in the pan. This is not chicken that's been sitting in the window all day. It's all fresh fried. Look at that. Look at that. That joker hit the grease and was like, eh. I love that crunch, man. Oh, damn. I mean, darn.
Well, I watch it and I know they're...
That is really good, y'all. There's like a seating area out here. People are sitting down, chilling, enjoying themselves. There's a little line in the joint. Y'all saw it, man. I see people steadily coming in and out of the door. This is really good chicken. That skin right there. I got one napkin. I got some juice. I think the total came to... I'll put the total down here. Oh. Oh. This is very sweet. I wish I had some ice. Look, this is hood sweet, man. I mixed that with water.
I just think they should add a subtitle. Just have AI.
At this point,
I'm saying it's a great idea.
That is really good.
Just get AI to do it.
I need more water though. This hood sweet, you know when it's hood sweet, you gotta add water. There you go. I had to drink that down, man. Mix it with that water. Remember I got this free water at the African Festival? I don't know if it was called the African Festival. We gotta get the real name. All right. I started that tip. Y'all know I like the tips too. Nice and crispy. I'm gonna put the chicken on whole. That chicken was delicious. I'm eating all of that. That's that macaroni and cheese. Y'all saw them smash it in there. I'm gonna work on that little piece of like burnt looking type of glaze from the top. Good mixture of cheeses.
I want nothing to do with research.
It's strong on the sharp end of cheese.
Of course.
That's official, man. That is good macaroni and cheese.
oh boy, have he's been telling me about this for years. Watch the trailer. Your emotional.
There is a lot of cheese in this mac and cheese. It's really windy out here. Stuff is blowing away, but I'm doing good. I need y'all to know that.
Yeah, they didn't know about it.
It may not be like that good pulled cheese, but it's thick the cheese, man. Remember that macaroni and cheese I had that you can tell they put eggs in it? I don't see that where it's... What's holding this together? There may be an egg or two in here, but what's holding this macaroni and cheese together is the cheese.
It's always a guy that has no hair.
This is good.
He looks like a boy, and he's just like, he like gently kisses her. It's what I do naturally. It's weird watching someone else do it. I feel like
I gotta stay on it, y'all. It's hard to get off of it and get to the sweet potatoes.
And I'm learning. Pick it up. Hello. Everybody's like,
I can't get off of it. It's so good. Okay, mind you, I ate that empanada a little bit ago. Okay. Let's put that down. Y'all know that's gonna be leftovers. Let's go for the sweet potatoes, candied yams. Okay, I know some of y'all would have got the thigh, the leg, but I just love the wings, man. All right, here go the yams. The yams look nice. Got that juice in there, that yam juice. Damn.
Come on, brother.
Oh, those yams are good and candy. Tastes that nutmeg, vanilla flavoring. Tastes buttery. It's delicious. It's official, man. This cat is doing his thing up here in Harlem. But you know what, though? It has never been hard to get soul food in Harlem. Oh, wow. Hold up. Look at this, man. It's got a little bit of chunks. It's a little stringy. But outside of that, it's delicious. I can't eat all of this. Y'all trying to get my sugar to run up. Let's put that back there. Hold up. Now they're gonna start playing music in the background. That's that last piece of fried chicken right there. That's that last piece of fried chicken. This one's kind of small, man, but it's definitely worth it.
Everyone has gotten sold by now. Wow, man.
I have something here I didn't tell y'all about. I forgot about this. I don't know what this is. I'm assuming it's cornbread. Look at this cornbread, yo. Look at that. Look at the top of it. Look at that cornbread. I'm not gonna. I just want to break a piece of this cornbread off. Oh, that smells like honey. This is gonna crumble. I'm gonna put this back in the bag. Let's check out the cornbread. This is good. Everything's good. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you're hanging with the wrong people. I love you cats, man. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.